right hand side. So we're waiting for the instructor in the car in front to point their arm out the window and point us over to the right hand side. Other than that, if you want to do any extra laps whilst you're out there, it's £10 for one, 3 for 25. Just give me a shout on the way round, see how you feel about it, and obviously make the most of the car.
Yeah.
Okay, so any questions?
Don't need to adjust the mirror.
No, so I'll grab that in a second. It's because I've been out doing warm-ups, so that's adjusted to me. So, if you keep your foot on the brake, pull the right-hand paddle towards you. So the plus. That's it. And then do you want to... Are you comfortable with the idea of paddle shift, or if I explain it to you? Ever used it before?
No, not really.
That's absolutely fine. So, upper gear is on the right-hand side, downer gear is on the left-hand side. You don't need to come off the brake or the accelerator to change gear. It's nice and simple, just on the accelerator, upper gear, on the brakes, downer gear.
Okay.
I'll tell you roughly when to change gear anyway, but I'll give you sort of visual aids as well. Okay, so we're in first gear at the moment, so as soon as you're ready, try taking your foot off the brake and just gently pressing the accelerator. So we're just going to see what the brake does, the handbrake. Perfect, over to the right. So it's released itself. Fabulous news. That's it, carrying on down here. Just make sure that's all adjusted. Brilliant, and then we're going round to the left. So nice and gently here, and it will drop itself down automatically if it needs to. So at lower speeds, don't worry about changing gear.
Okay.
That's it, carrying on through here. So we're heading out to the track here, so don't worry, we're not on the track yet. So round to the right here. Perfect. Just carrying on at that sort of speed. A little bit more accelerator here if you want to. That's it. And then we've got a little bit we need to slow down for just slightly. Further up. That's it.
We're going 30 in the car to this low.
Yeah, I know. So nice and gently over this bit. Just a little bit.
Straight.
Yeah, that's it.
Between the cones is kind of wall.
Perfect. So carrying on right to the end, and then we've got like a hairpin, so stay right, make it easy for yourself, down a gear. That's it, and then tight round to the left, just watch those curves. Perfect, well done. Straightening up here, a little bit of accelerator. That's it, and then this is the start of the track. So ease off here, we're just waiting for that Huracan to come through and the Corvette behind, so staying on the brakes a little bit further forwards. That's it, and then once we've seen that Corvette come through, DB9's going quicker than I thought. Wait here,
Wait.
Yeah, okay. Just got to wait for a suitable gap.
Yeah, no worries. How is it possible that even on a track day you hit traffic?
I know, it's crazy, isn't it? We have had this conversation. That's it. Wait for the Evo for me, they're going quite quickly, and then once the Evo's through, we can head on out.
Okay.
That's it. So when you're ready, on the accelerator here. Perfect. Following the Evo down. Perfect. Stay on the accelerator. Upper gear. Stay on the accelerator. That's it. Stay on it. And then on the brakes, straight down here. Down a gear. Perfect. Stay on the brakes here. Down one more gear. Hopefully we'll get past that DB9 again quite quickly. So around to the left here. Callum's going to bring him over to the left. Oh no, they're heading in. Okay. So DB9's heading in here, so that makes it nice and easy for us. And the Evo's heading in as well, clear track. That's what we like. That's it. So we're going to be going round to the left, not following these guys. So on the brakes here, down a gear, and we've got this tight corner round to the left. Just watch the curve. That's it. Straighten up and then back on the accelerator. Staying on the accelerator here, upper gear, perfect. Stay on the accelerator, upper gear. That's great. Bit brakes here. That's it, and then off the brakes, round to the left, back over to the right, and then we'll just have to sit on it for a moment. There's a junior driving that one, so that's why there we go, overtaking on the right, perfect. Hard on the brakes and tight round to the left. Brilliant. Don't worry about changing down, it'll do it itself. Straight up there, and then back on the accelerator, upper gear, stay on the accelerator. Perfect. Staying on the accelerator all the way down the straight. Accelerator here, stay on the accelerator, well done, and then off the accelerator and back on the brakes, perfect, keep it in second gear, and then back around to the left here, well done, straightening up, and on the accelerator again here, perfect, and back on the accelerator. Stay on the accelerator. Brilliant. Go, go, go. Up a gear. Perfect. And then off the accelerator. Look at the brakes here. Down a gear. Down one more. Perfect. That's it. And around to the left. What do you think of it?
It's terrifying.
Good fun though?
Yeah.
How do you feel? Do you want to do any more? Totally up to you.
Yeah, we'll do a few more.
Yeah.
3 more, 25.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
So, we'll be carrying on round to the left again, keep it in second. That's it. Round to the left here. Fantastic. Straightening up and then back on the power. Make the most of it. So stay on the accelerator, hold the gear a little bit longer. That's it. A little bit of brakes in a straight line. And then hold the brakes. Trust a little bit. Round to the left, back on the accelerator. That's it. Stay on the accelerator. Or just catch the California up at least and then we can pass in a moment.
Yeah.
So hard on the brakes, down a gear. And round to the left, tight round, and overtaking the right. There we go, fantastic. Staying on the accelerator. Go, go, go. Up a gear, stay on the accelerator. Perfect. And then off the accelerator, back on the brakes, pull the third gear for now, hard on the brakes, and down a gear. Well done, round to the left. Fantastic. Back on the accelerator. It's a proper adrenaline rush, isn't it?
It's the fear.
Back on the brakes. Down a gear. That's it, and round to the left. Honestly, don't be scared of it. I've got my brake pedal here, so worst case scenario, I'll slow us down. Stay on the power. Up a gear. Perfect. That's it. Don't brake this time. Just round to the left. Trust it. Well done. Back over to the right. All the way down. And then hard on the brakes here. That's it. Well done. Round to the left. Perfect.
It is
And then
difficult
back
to
on the
trust.
accelerator. Yeah, it is. 100%. I get that. Stay on the power. Well done. And then off the accelerator. Back on the brakes. Fantastic. Really well done. Hard on the brakes. Down a gear. And around to the left. Perfect. Back on the accelerator here. And then on the brakes again, a straight line, down a gear. Perfect. Back round once more. There we go, and back on the power. Stay on it, stay left just slightly so we avoid that bit. Up a gear. Perfect. Back over to the right. And then trusting it again. Over to the left. Well done. Back over to the right. It's fantastic. Hard on the brakes here. Down one gear. What do you think of the car?
Yeah, it's certainly a rush.
Yeah.
It's interesting
Hard on the
because
power, yeah.
not that obviously I don't drive it. I've got a Fiesta and doing a corner at that speed.
Yeah.
It's not.
Not natural, is it?
It's not. This does stick a lot more.
Yeah. Yeah, 100%. On the brakes here, down again. You've got to drive it and then you really realise.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Round to the left here. Right, how do you feel? Do you want to do any more? Are you happy with that? We can
I
overtake
think
on the right here.
I think I'm good here.
Fantastic. Okay, so this time heading down.
Yep.
Stay over to the right hand side for me. And we're heading to the right hand side of the orange cone. Hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah, it's been great.
Slow right down here, slightly over to the right, and then through the yellow cones here.
Okay.
That's it. Perfect. And then we're carrying on round to the right. In the gap here.
Yep.
So in through this gap. Full lock round to the left and park up next to the DB9. Well, not quite full lock actually. Stay
this
locked.
side.
Yeah, that's it. Fantastic. Straighten up there. And we'll stop about there. How's that?
I went for the handbrake then. Not there.
Yeah, good luck. So I'm just going to switch it straight off, and that's you all done. You can come off the brake now.
Thank you very much.
That's okay. Enjoyed it?
Yeah, it was, yeah.
What it's all about, right?
Yeah.
No point in life if you don't have an adrenaline.